AI isn't just changing the game, it's opening new doors for those who know how to use it. In 2025, the best opportunities will belong to those who adapt, innovate, and embrace AI as a tool for growth. Some are already using AI to automate workflows, scale their businesses, and multiply their productivity, while others are still figuring out where they fit in this new world. The good news, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to give you an edge, but only if you know how to leverage it effectively. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful ways to use AI to work smarter, stay ahead of the curve, and achieve greater success in 2025. The first is AI-powered content creation. Now, if you run a business today, you know how important it is to create fresh and engaging content. Whether it's social media posts, blog articles, videos, or marketing campaigns, businesses need a constant flow of high-quality content to stay relevant and to grow their audience. But producing content manually can be time-consuming and expensive and inconsistent. That's where AI-powered content creation really comes in. AI is transforming the way that businesses can create and distribute content by streamlining the entire process. Spending hours brainstorming ideas and writing drafts or editing videos, AI tools can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. These tools assist with everything from writing compelling ad copy to generating visuals or editing videos and even composing music. For example, AI-powered writing assistants can draft blog posts, produce descriptions, or email campaigns based on simple prompts, which helps businesses maintain a steady content pipeline without relying on a large team of writers. Similarly, AI design tools can instantly create professional graphics, eliminating the need for complex editing software and expensive designers that are way out of your budget. Video editing platforms powered by AI can cut and enhance and optimize podcasts with just a few clicks, reducing production time from hours to minutes. What makes AI content creation so powerful isn't just speed, it's also the ability to personalize and optimize content for better engagement. AI can analyze audience behavior and tailor content to fit their preferences, ensuring businesses deliver the right messages at the right time. Now, studies have shown that companies leveraging AI for content creation see higher engagement rates, improved conversion rates, and significant cost savings. Despite the fear that AI will replace human creativity, the reality is quite the opposite. AI doesn't eliminate creativity, it just amplifies it. By handling repetitive and technical tasks, AI frees up creators to focus on strategy and storytelling and innovation. Instead of getting bogged down on production, businesses can invest more energy into refining their messaging and building stronger connections with their audiences. The demand for high-quality content isn't going away, it's only increasing. Businesses that integrate AI into their content creation strategies will work faster, produce better results, and gain a competitive edge. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share strategies like this to help you stay ahead of the curve, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. The second is workflow automation and AI agents. Now, businesses spend countless hours on manual tasks that can be automated. AI automation eliminates this friction and allows companies to streamline operations, which reduces errors, and they can scale without constantly increasing their headcount. AI agents are already transforming business functions by handling tasks faster, more accurately, and at scale. And here's how top companies are using them to optimize their workflows. AI-powered sales and CRM automation. AI can qualify leads, personalize outreach, and automate follow-ups based on real-time engagement data. This means that sales teams can focus on closing deals instead of getting buried into admin work. Customer support automation. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can resolve 80% of routine customer inquiries instantly, freeing up human support teams for more complex issues. This improves customer experience while cutting response times and costs. AI-driven operations and process automation. Now, AI can handle approval workflows, manage data entry, and automate back-end processes, reducing bottlenecks and making businesses more agile. AI-powered marketing and personalization. AI tools can analyze customer behavior, optimize ad targeting, and generate personalized content recommendations, increasing engagement without extra manual effort. Businesses that fully integrate AI-driven automation will move faster, operate more efficiently, and make smarter decisions. In 2025, AI-powered editing tools will redefine how businesses create and refine content, whether it's video, audio, or written materials. Instead of spending hours perfecting content manually, AI can help you refine and enhance your work in ways that were only once possible with professionals. For example, these are some of the AI tools that I use to help my content creation process. AI video editing. Tools like Descript and Adobe Sensei use AI to cut, trim, and even generate new footage automatically. Businesses can remove filler words, adjust pacing, and enhance visuals with just a few clicks. AI audio enhancement. Platforms like Crisp and Adobe Enhance clean up background noise, improve clarity, and even mimic professional studio sounds. Ideal for podcasts, sales calls, and virtual meetings. AI writing enhancement. So AI tools like Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, or ChatGPT refine text, suggest improvements, and optimize tone, which ensures the content is professional and engaging. Automated image and design editing. Tools like Canva Magic Edit and Adobe Firefly let businesses generate and enhance images effortlessly, making high-quality branding materials accessible to everybody. The demand for AI-powered video editing is growing fast, with the market projected to reach $1.32 billion by 2032. Businesses that integrate AI editing tools now will have a significant advantage, saving time, reducing costs, and improving content quality. However, AI-generated content still benefits from a human touch. Companies that blend AI automation with creative oversight will produce the most engaging and the highest quality content. Today's video is brought to you by Forecaster. Now, I created Forecaster after seeing entrepreneurs struggle with their financials. Many would refresh their bank accounts every day, they'd stress over cash flow, and they'd try to cobble together these clunky spreadsheets to try to understand their business. And when it came to fundraising, things got even harder, leading to confusing financial plans that really hurt their credibility with investors. That's why we built Forecaster. It's world-class software designed to make your numbers clear, attract investment, and to help you grow faster with the power of data. Plus, every customer is paired with an expert financial coach to guide them every step of the way. Click the link below for a free 30-minute discovery session with our team. If you're fit to move forward, we'll throw in a free 10 hours of analyst time, which covers the full cost of your onboarding into our software. Now, we only take 50 new customers per month, so claim your spot today. Spots are very limited. The fourth is mastering prompt engineering. AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's the ability to craft precise, structured inputs that guide AI to generate accurate, high-quality outputs. Think of your AI as a personal assistant. If you say, make me a report, you might get something super generic. But if you say, create a 3-page report summarizing Q3 revenue trends, highlighting key growth areas, and comparing the performance to last year, you'll get something way more useful. The clearer your instructions, the better the results. Here are some key skills for effective prompt engineering. Writing clear and precise prompts. AI works best when given specific instructions. The more context you provide, the better the output. If the response isn't what you want, tweak the wording and add more detail, or break the response into steps. Experimenting with styles and formats. So the way that you phrase a prompt affects the output. Try different sentence structures, tones, and formats. AI can also mimic specific styles, whether you need a formal business report, a persuasive sales pitch, or an engaging social media post. Developing reusable templates. Instead of starting from scratch each time, create structured prompt templates for common tasks. For example, if you're frequently generating product descriptions, have a format in place and adjust it as needed. Understanding AI models. Not all AI tools work the same way. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and others each have strengths and weaknesses. Learning which model is best for specific tasks helps you get the most accurate and efficient results. Learning through trial and error. AI doesn't always get it right the first try. Small prompt adjustments can make a huge difference. The more you experiment, the better you'll get at crafting effective inputs that lead to high-quality responses. With AI tools advancing rapidly, prompt engineering is a must-have skill. Whether you want to generate better content or streamline workflows or improve automation, mastering how to communicate effectively with AI will give you a compelling edge. The better your inputs, the better your outputs. The fifth skill is AI-powered marketing and audience engagement. AI is transforming the way that businesses operate, and marketing is one of the biggest areas benefiting from it. A few years ago, AI in marketing felt like a futuristic concept, but today, it's not only here, it's rapidly becoming essential. From AI-powered chatbots handling customer service to machine learning algorithms optimizing ad campaigns in real time, businesses that integrate AI are gaining a massive competitive edge. AI helps marketers run faster and smarter. Businesses collect enormous amounts of data, and AI helps brands analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and automate engagement, ensuring that companies connect with their audience in a more personal, effective, and scalable way. AI-driven marketing is growing at an exponential rate. A global survey from Salesforce found that in 2021, 71% of marketers used AI to connect online and offline experiences. By 2022, that number jumped to 87%. Additionally, 87% of marketers used AI for customer identification and 88% automated reporting and analytics, up significantly from the previous year. Another report from McKinsey & Company, which analyzed over 400 AI use cases across 19 industries, found that marketing and sales have had the highest potential for AI-driven revenue growth. Businesses that are integrating AI into their marketing see higher engagement, better conversion rates, and increased sales, and these trends are only accelerating. To put this into perspective, imagine you're running an e-commerce store. Instead of guessing what products your customers might like, AI can analyze their browsing history and their past purchases and even their social media behavior to deliver tailored product recommendations. Now, this level of customization makes customers more likely to buy and keeps them coming back. AI is revolutionizing 5 key areas of marketing. marketing. Hyper-personalization. AI enables businesses to customize content, ads, and product recommendations based off of user behavior, making each customer feel like the brand truly understands them. Predictive analytics. AI can forecast customer trends and purchasing behaviors so that businesses can make data-driven decisions instead of relying on guesswork. Automated customer engagement. Chatbots and AI-driven virtual assistants provide instant responses, answer to FAQs, and guides customers through the buying process, improving customer satisfaction while reducing support costs. Optimized ad targeting. AI-powered ad platforms like Google Ads and Meta automatically test, adjust, and optimize ad performance in real time to maximize conversions and minimize waste in ad spend. Content creation and management. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai assist in writing high-quality blog posts, social media updates, and ad copy, which helps brands scale content production without sacrificing quality. Many AI marketing tools are designed with user-friendly interfaces, allowing anyone to leverage their power without needing a background in AI development. The key is learning how to use these tools strategically. Using AI in these 5 ways will give you a huge competitive edge. Those who adopt early and stay ahead of the curve will see higher demand, better results, and bigger opportunities in 2025 and beyond. Now, if you want to hear my book review on Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers, click this link here and I'll see you over there.